Namaste. Welcome to Chitrakuta Samskrita learning series. Let's learn sixth lesson Samudra Tataha. This is as per NCERT CBSE syllabus 6th standard. Ekavaram Patham Pathamaha. Let's read the lesson first.
एषः समुद्रतटः. Samudratataha means seashore or beach. So this is a beach. Atra janaah pariyatanaaya agachanti. Pariyatanam means excursion, just roaming. So people are coming here to roam around the beach. Pariyatanaaya. किमर्थम् आगच्छन्ति? पर्यटनाय आगच्छन्ति. Then केचन तरङ्गैः क्रीडन्ति. Few people are playing with waves. तरङ्गैः. Taranga means wave. Here tarangaihi. The word is in Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana form. Tritiya Vibhakti is meant for instrument. So, here with what people are playing? With waves, people are playing. So, it is used in Tritiya Vibhakti form. केचन च नौकाभिः जलविहारं कुर्वन्ति. Similarly, in this sentence, नौकाभिः, nauka means boat. Naukabhihi is used in Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana form. Jalaviharam kurvanti. Jalaviharam kartum karanam kim nauka. Teshu kechana kandukena kridanti. Again, kandukena is in Tritiya Vibhakti. With what they are playing? They are playing with ball. Kandukena kridanti. बालिकाः बालकाः च वालुकाभिः वालुकागृहं रचयन्ति. Valuka means sand. It is printed there baluka, but it should be valuka. Valuka means sand. So, balikaah balakaah cha valukabhihi. Again, valukabhihi is in Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana form. So, they are playing with sand and they are making sandcastles. मध्ये मध्ये तरङ्गाः वालुकागृहं प्रवाहयन्ति. Then what happens? Waves wash away these sandcastles. एषा क्रीडा प्रचलति एव. It happens very often. समुद्रतटाः न केवलं पर्यटनस्थानानि. These beaches are not meant only for tourist sports, but these beaches give life to fishermen. अत्र मत्स्यजीविनः अपि स्वजीविकां चालयन्ति. That means here fishermen earn their livelihood. अस्माकं देशे बहवः समुद्रतटाः सन्ति. बहवः means many. There are many beaches in our country. एतेषु मुम्बै, गोवा, कोच्चि, कन्याकुमारी, विशाखपत्तनम, पुरीतटाः अतीव प्रसिद्धाः. Among them, Mumbai, Goa, Kochi, Kanyakumari, Visakhapatnam and Puri are very famous. गोवातटः विदेशीपर्यटकेभ्यः समधिकं रोचते. पर्यटकेभ्यः. Here this word is used in Chaturthi Vibhakti. whom this is very favorite place. Goa is a favorite place for foreign tourists. विशाखापट्टनम तटः वैदेशिकव्यापाराय प्रसिद्धः. So Visakhapatnam is famous for foreign trade. वैदेशिकव्यापाराय is in चतुर्थी विभक्ति एकवचन form. कोच्चि तटः नारिकेलफलेभ्यः ज्ञायते. Kochi beach is known for narikela phala is nothing but coconut. So Kochi beach is well known for coconuts. narikela phalebhyah is in chaturthi vibhakti bahuvachana form. Mumbai nagarasya जुहू तटे सर्वे जनाः स्वैरं विहरन्ति. Swairam means as per their wish. People are coming to Mumbai beach as per their wish to just roam around the beach. Chennai nagarasya Marina tatah deshasya sagaratateषु दीर्घतमः. दीर्घतमः means longest. So Chennai nagarasya Marina tatah, Marina beach of Chennai is the largest, longest among all beaches of the country. भारतस्य तिस्रषु दिशासु समुद्रतटाः सन्ति. That means there are beaches in all the three directions of India. अस्मादेव कारणात् भारतदेशः प्रायद्वीपः इति कथ्यते. Prayadvipaha is peninsula. So that is covered with water in three directions. Because of this reason, Bharata, India is known as peninsula. पूर्वदिशायां बङ्गोपसागरः, दक्षिणदिशायां हिन्दमहासागरः, पश्चिमदिशायां च अरबसागरः अस्ति. That means Purva is east. East there is Bay of Bengal. Dakshina Dishayam in south there is Hindu Mahasagar, Indian Ocean, and in Paschima, Paschima means west. West Arabian Sea is there. एतेषां त्रयाणाम् अपि सागराणां संगमः कन्याकुमारी तटे भवति. संगमः means confluence. We can see confluence of these three seas at Kanyakumari beach. अत्र पौर्णिमायां चन्द्रोदयः सूर्यास्तं च युगपदेव द्रष्टुं शक्यते. चन्द्रोदयः is moonrise. Suryastam means sunset. Yugapadeva means simultaneously. You can see moonrise and sunset simultaneously here on Kanyakumari beach.
इदानीं पाठस्य अभ्यासं कुर्मः. Let's see the exercise. In first question, we have to read some words.
तरङ्गैः मत्स्यजीविनः विदेशीपर्यटकेभ्यः सङ्गमः तिस्रषु वैदेशिकव्यापाराय प्रायद्वीपः बङ्गोपसागरः चन्द्रोदयः. द्वितीयः प्रश्नः अधोलिखितानां प्रश्नानाम् उत्तरं लिखत. Write answers for the following questions. First one, जनाः काभिः जलविहारं कुर्वन्ति? Answer is boats, right? So boats, how to say? Nauka is boat. Naukabhihi iti vaktavyam. So answer is janaha naukabhihi jalaviharam kurvanti. Question number 2. भारतस्य दीर्घतमः समुद्रतटः कः? चेन्नैनगरस्य मेरिनातटः देशस्य दीर्घतमः समुद्रतटः is the answer. Question number 3. जनाः कुत्र स्वैरं विहरन्ति? जनाः मुम्बैनगरस्य जुहूतटे स्वैरं विहरन्ति is the answer. बालकाः वालुकाभिः किं रचयन्ति? Answer is they are making sand castles, isn't it? So answer would be balakaah valukabhihi valukagृहं रचयन्ति. Next one. कोच्चितटः केभ्यः ज्ञायते? कोच्चितटः is famous for coconuts, isn't it? So answer will be कोच्चितटः नारिकेलफलेभ्यः ज्ञायते. Let's go to तृतीयः प्रश्नः. Third main. मञ्जूषातः पदानि चित्वा रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयत. So here we have to choose the appropriate word from the box and fill in the blanks. Words mentioned in the box are Vangopasagarah, Prayadvipah, Paryatanaaya, Krida, Sangamah. Let's see the meaning of these words. Vangopasagarah is Bay of Bengal. Prayadvipah is peninsula. Paryatanaya for excursion. Krida is sport. Sangamaha confluence. So let's go one by one. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Kanyakumari tate trayanam sagaranam dash bhavati. Yes, Kanyakumari tate trayanam sagaranam sangamaha bhavati is the right answer. Bharatadeshah dash iti kathyate. Bharatadeshah prayadvipah iti kathyate. Third one. Janaah samudratatam dash agachanti. So why people are coming to beach? The suitable word is paryatanaya. They are coming for excursion. So third answer is janaah samudratatam paryatanaya agachanti. Next question. Balebhyah dash rochate. What do the kids like? They like to play. So Krida rochate will be the answer for fourth one. Balebhyah Krida rochate. Fifth one. Bharatasya purvadishayam dash asti. What is there in Purva Disha? Purva Disha is east. What is there east to India? So Vangopasagarah will be the answer for fifth one. Bharatasya Purva Dishayam Vangopasagarah asti. Now let's go to fourth one. Yathayogyam yojayata means match appropriately. we have to match the following words. Let us read left side words once. Samudratataha, Kridanakam, Dugdham, Deepakaha, Vidya. What do you mean by Samudratataha? Samudratataha is beach. Kridanakam means toy. Dugdham means milk. Deepakaha is light. Vidya is education. Right side we have words Jnanaya, Poshanaya, Prakashaya, Paryatanaya, Khelanaya. Jnanaya means for wisdom. Poshanaya means for growth. Prakashaya means for light. Paryatanaya means for excursion. Khelanaya means for playing. Now we can match these words easily. Samudra tataha matches with Paryatanaya. Kredanakam Khelanaya. Dugdham Poshanaya. Deepakaha Prakashaya. Vidya Jnanaya. Fifth exercise. Tritiya vibhakti prayogena riktasthanani purayata. That means we have to fill the blanks with using Tritiya vibhakti forms of given words. First one. Balakaha dash saha pathanti. Given word is balika. Balakaha balikabhihi saha pathanti. That means boys are playing with girls. Whenever we use saha, sakam, satha, samam, these words, the related word will be in Tritiya Vibhakti form. So here balika word will be in Tritiya Vibhakti form as balikabhihi. Second one, tadagaha dash vibhati. Tadagaha means lake. Lake is looking beautiful with dash. Option is Kamala. We have to write Tadagaha Kamalaihi vibhati. Next one. Ahamapi dash khelami. Kanduka. We have to apply Tritiya Vibhakti to Kanduka. So the form will be Kandukena. Ahamapi Kandukena Khelami. Next one. Ashvaha dash saha dhavanti. Given word is Ashva. When we apply Tritiya Vibhakti, it will be Ashvaha Ashvaihi saha dhavanti. Last one. Mrigaha dash saha charanti. Word given is Mriga. If we apply Tritiya Vibhakti form, it will be Mrigaha Mrigaihi saha charanti. Shashtha Prashnaha. Sixth main. Adholikita Vrittachitram Pashyata. Udaharananusareణ कोष्टकगतैः शब्दैः उचितवाक्यानि रचयत. So it is written there. Look at the circle below and frame sentences with words contained in the box. Example is given. Rahimah mitrena saha kridati. So Rahimah word is in the center of the circle, and now we have to see first portion. There it goes towards out. Rahimah, Mitra, Saha, Kridati are the words. So we have to use appropriate vibhakti to make this sentence. The sentence will be Rahimah मित्रेण सह क्रीडति. Now we have to look into second portion and make a sentence. There words given are Vichakrika, Apanam, Gacchati. Now we have to use these words in appropriate vibhakti forms. Rahimaha Vichakrikaya Apanam Gacchati. Let's go to third one. What words are given there in third box? Kalama, Patram, Likhati. So we have to apply vibhakti for Kalama Shabda. Rahimaha Kalamena Patram Likhati. He is writing letter with the help of a pen. Rahimaha Hastena Kandukam Kshipati will be the sentence for fourth one. Let's say fifth one. Nauka Jalavihara Karoti. We have to apply vibhakti for Nauka word. So it will be Rahimaha Naukaya Jalaviharam Karoti. Sixth one. Rahimaha Chashakena Jalam Pibati. Seventh one. Rahimaha Tulikaya Chitram Rachayati. Tulika means paintbrush. Tulikaya, as this is Akaranta word, Akaranta Strilinga word, just like Balika word, Tulikaya will be the Tritiya Vibhakti form. Rahimaha Vayuyanena Hyah Agatavan is the eighth sentence. Next main, Koshtakat Uchita Prayogena Riktasthanani Purayata. First one, Dhanikaha dash dhanam dadati. Whom he is giving money, the recipient will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti form. So we have to find out what is Chaturthi Vibhakti form. There it is Nirdhanaya. So Dhanikaha Nirdhanaya Dhanam Dadati. Balaha dash Vidyalayam Gacchati. Kimartham Vidyalayam Gacchati? Pathanaya. What is the reason for going school? Pathanaya, to read. So that word will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Next, Sajjanaha dash Jivanti. Sajjanaha Paropakaraya Jivanti. Next one, Pradhanacharyaha dash Paritoshakam Yachati. Kebhyaha Chhatrebhyaha. Whom he is giving prize? Paritoshaka is prize. Pradhanacharyaha Chhatrebhyaha Paritoshikam Yachati. Next one, dash Namaha. Answer is Shikshakaya Namaha. Namaha Swasti Swadha इत्यादि पदानां प्रयोगे तत्संबंधी पदम चतुर्थी विभक्त्याम एव भवति. That means whenever we use Namaha, Swasti, Swadha, etc., related word will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. So here Shikshakaya Namaha.
Hope you have enjoyed learning Samudra Tataha lesson. Let's meet with a new lesson in next episode.